In today's society, changing one's appearance through hair color, eye contacts, and cosmetic surgery seems to be the answer to creating the new you. So is it possible to change the physical appearance by applying the law of attraction for new good looks? How your beauty is perceived by society starts within you. You and only you possess the ability to attract others, whether you have a perfect Barbie doll figure or not. When you can look inside yourself and be happy with your inner appearance, this confidence and joy will radiate from your inner being, and that is what other people will be attracted to. Start within and find out what you like about yourself. Are you kind? Do you love animals? Are you compassionate to those around you? Now look in the mirror and see what it is that you like from the outside. Don't point out the flaws that you think you have, point out what you really like about you, from the inside to the outside. When you begin to see that you are just like everyone else on this earth and that you are a wonderful being no matter what, you will begin to assume a glow that becomes attractive to others. They will want to be around you because you possess something that many people don't have in these days of airbrushed photos in magazines, and that is a beauty from within that is so great that your outward appearance becomes to others the perception of what you feel about yourself. Accept every bump and mole and realize that these are a part of you, but they are not the inner you. The inner you is what possesses the beauty. Just who was that first person who decided that a size 1 jean and some bleached blonde hair constituted the perfect, ideal appearance? Who was the first person who said that every tooth must be in place and that a certain eye color is the preference? Who made those rules? Somebody named Madison Avenue, that's who. Don't buy into the man-made rules of beauty. Beauty has always come from within, and anyone who says otherwise comes from a very shallow frame of reference. Love who you are now. When you accept everything about you and find your inner glow, people will know that something is different about you. When you begin to see that however you feel about you will affect how the law of attraction works in your life, you will be amazed how the universe will bring you situations and people to reflect how you feel about your own self. People will become attracted to you, whether it be in friendship or in a love relationship. They will compliment your hair or compliment that you must have lost weight, but you will know that the only changes you have made are within your inner being. You will attract the kind of people that you want to be near just by loving and accepting who you are, and by thanking the universe for the wonderful gift of life it has given you to create through. It's the truth. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.